Vanakkam! Today we are mastering a South Indian classic, the legendary Mansatti ClayPot Rasam, packed with health and incredible traditional flavors. Let's get started. We are cooking on this breezy Tamil Nadu terrace kitchen, surrounded by coconut palms, with traditional clay and brass utensils that keep us grounded in our heritage. Why clay? The Mansatti distributes heat slowly, alkalizing the tamarind and locking in the herbal medicinal benefits of our spices perfectly. Representing my roots today with this cool Trichy Rockfort streetwear t-shirt. Style meets tradition, both in my heart and in the kitchen. Here are our key ingredients: Toor Dhaal, tomatoes, tamarind, raw spices, garlic and fresh green herbs, all waiting to build the perfect healing broth. We start with exactly 50 grams of dry Toor Dhaal. This provides the protein base and body for our rasam. Let's give it a quick wash. Rinsing the dhal under cold water to remove excess starch, ensuring a clean, clear flavor in the final broth. Always wash your lentils before cooking. Adding required water and 2 pinches of turmeric powder. Turmeric brings a beautiful golden color and its powerful anti-inflammatory benefits to the base. Now, just a few drops of cooking oil on top. This prevents the water from foaming and boiling over. Keep the lid slightly ajar when boiling. Boil it until completely mushy and soft, then set it aside. We want the starch and water to blend perfectly for our rasam texture. Excellent! Next, take a small lemon-sized piece of tamarind and place it into 400 milliliters of warm water. This is the heart of our tangy base. Let it soak for half an hour. This allows the tamarind pulp to completely soften, making extraction incredibly easy and thorough. Patience pays off here. Squeeze the soaked tamarind thoroughly with your hands. Mash it well to release all the concentrated tanginess. This is the traditional way. Filter out the remaining pulp, seeds and fibers so you are left with a smooth, clean tamarind extract. This keeps the rasam texture clean and pleasant. Pour this rich tamarind extract directly into your traditional Mansatti clay pot. This will be the foundation of our aromatic rasam. Let's build it up. Slice 1 medium-sized ripe red tomato into small pieces. This sliced tomato will cook down slowly, adding texture and sweetness to our tangy tamarind broth. For the second tomato, we hand squeeze it directly into the clay pot. Hand squeezing releases the natural pectin, which thickens and emulsifies the rasam base. Finely chop 10 fresh aromatic curry leaves and add them. Chopping releases their essential herb oils directly into the cold mix, ready to infuse. Add a quarter handful of finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. The stems and leaves bring a bright, herbaceous freshness that balances the tangy tamarind base perfectly. Add a quarter teaspoon of bright turmeric powder. This enhances the color and boosts the health profile of our healing rasam base. Simple and powerful. Now, add salt to taste. Salt acts as the bridge, amplifying all the tangy and earthy flavors we have built so far. Season it well. Add a small piece of solid asafoetida or hing. Solid asafoetida has a deeper, more rustic, savory aroma than powder, which blooms beautifully during cooking. Stir the cold base thoroughly. We want all these fresh ingredients to mingle and start extracting their flavors before we apply any heat. Smells great. Now, lift your clay pot and place it on the stove. Clay pots require a steady medium heat to prevent cracking. Treat it gently. Turn on the stove and maintain a medium flame or setting. Let the clay slowly absorb the heat and warm the liquid. Here we go! The clay pot is absorbing the heat now. You'll see tiny bubbles starting to form along the inner edges. This gentle warming is crucial. A gentle simmer is starting and the steam is carrying a wonderful sour tomato aroma into the breezy terrace air. Absolutely beautiful scent profile. Let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. This rolling boil cooks the raw tamarind and softens the tomatoes completely. Keep it bubbling. Now, pour in our boiled mushy Toor Dhaal with its cooking water. This adds body and balances the sharp tanginess with rich legume sweetness. Give it a quick stir. We will let it heat back up until it starts boiling again. This is where the magic happens. While it heats, let's prep our secret spice mix. 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper and 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Next, grab 5 to 7 raw garlic pods. We keep the skins on for that authentic rustic flavor and maximum medicinal strength. Let's grind. We are using a traditional stone mortar today. Electric blenders generate heat, which ruins the delicate raw spice oils. Stone grinding keeps them perfect. Pound the raw black pepper and cumin seeds coarsely. Do not roast them. Keeping them raw preserves their active medicinal enzymes fully. Add the garlic pods and pound them lightly, just enough to bruise and break them open, blending their juices with the dry spices. Incredible. Look at this beautiful rustic coarse texture. Never make it a fine powder. This texture provides the signature bite and flavor of rasam. The rasam is starting to foam and rise. This is the critical moment. We must never let it boil completely once the dhal is in. Switch off the stove immediately. Too much after adding dhal destroys its delicate aroma and causes the flavors to off it goes. Add the raw pounded pepper, cumin and garlic directly into the hot rasam. The residual heat will cook them gently, releasing their fresh aromas. Add another handful of fresh curry leaves and coriander on top. This secondary addition provides a layered, fresh herbal aroma to the dish. Cover the pot immediately. Let the raw spices and fresh herbs steep in the hot liquid for a few minutes. Let the flavors lock in. While it steeps, let's prepare our tempering or tadka. Place a small iron ladle over the heat. Iron holds the oil heat perfectly. Pour in 2 teaspoons of pure gingelly oil, also known as sesame oil. Its nutty, rich aroma is essential for an authentic South Indian tempering. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter completely. Unspluttered mustard seeds, so let them crackle and pop. Tear 2 dried red chilies and add them to the oil. They bring a smoky heat and beautiful color to the tempering mix. Finally, toss in 1 leaflet of fresh curry leaves. They will crackle and release their ultimate herbal flavor into the hot oil. Smells amazing. Pour the sizzling tempering directly into the clay pot. Hear that beautiful sound? That is the sound of perfect flavor infusion. Close the lid immediately. Open the lid after 2 minutes. Look at this gorgeous steam, the red oil droplets and the fresh green herbs. The aroma is outstanding. Maternal, peppery the throat. Make this authentic Mansatti rasam at home for its amazing health benefits and traditional taste. Until next time, happy cooking and stay healthy.